Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Paula and we're going to be talking about the Walgreens weekly ad July 30th through August 5th. So there's a buy one get one 50% off promotion where you can mix and match on select Suncare products, and there's also another buy one get one 50% off mix and match on select Walgreens personal care items. Now, if you're in need of Pepsi products, they're going to be on sale 3 for $15.99, and that includes the Pepsi, Mountain Dew, and Starry products. Now let's look at some of the deals of the week. For Pampers, they're going to be 2 for $21 with a $5 register reward, and don't forget to clip that digital coupon. If you need Arm & Hammer laundry care, they're buy one get two free. For Olay and Old Spice, the body wash is $7 to $8.29, and you can earn $5 in store rewards when you buy three. Don't forget to clip that digital coupon. If you're in need of Scott paper products, they're going to be $5, and there's a $1.25 off digital coupon in your Walgreens app. For Pantene hair care, it's going to range in price from $5 to $9, and you can earn $4 in store rewards. Don't forget to also clip your digital coupon, which can save you up to $5 off. There's also a promotion going on if you need 7-Up products where you can buy two and get one free, and that is on the 12-pack soft drinks. And if you're in need of snacks, then you can pick up some of the wonderful pistachios. They're going to be on sale for $5.99. The General Mills cereal is on sale. It's $2.49. And the Head and Shoulders hair care ranges from $6 to $11. And there's also going to be a promotion going on in the store where you can earn $4 in store rewards. Don't forget to also clip that digital coupon if you need Head and Shoulders. For some of the personal care item promotions, Gillette, Old Spice, and Secret deodorant will be on promotion 2 for $13, but there is a $5 off digital coupon. You can also earn $5 in store rewards when you purchase 3. For our oral care promotion, they're going to range in price from $5 to $6 this week. Then the promotion is going to be on Crest or Oral-B dental care, and you can earn $4 in store rewards when you buy 2. Also, check out the $2 off digital coupon. If you need the Ollie probiotic vitamins or supplement gummies, they're going to be $11.99. And there's a buy one, get one free promotion going on with Nature's Bounty probiotics, vitamins, or supplements. If you need to satisfy your sweet tooth, there's going to be a promotion going on this week on M&Ms where you can buy 2, get 1 for free. Also, there's an exclusive savings for seniors. There's a 20% off in-store only on August 1st or online 7:30 through 8/5 on select merchandise. For Band-Aid, Aveeno, Benadryl, or Neosporin, they're buy one, get one 50% off, and you can earn $5 in store rewards. There's $2 off on the Aleve pain reliever on select varieties. And you can earn $5 in store rewards when you buy 2 on select varieties of Advil, Excedrin, and Voltaren pain relief. For Dawn dish spray or easy squeeze, it's on sale for $4.99. And you can earn $5 in store rewards when you buy 4. Angel Soft will be 2 for $9, and there's also a 50-cent off digital coupon. If you need to stock up on Scott paper products, they're going to be $5, and don't forget to clip that $1.25 off digital coupon. And there's also going to be another promotion going on the Dawn Easy Squeeze. For all, there's going to be a $4.99 sale. And if you need Bounce Bounty, Charmin, Downy, or Tide and select products, they're $5.49. And that's on select household products, but you can earn $5 in store rewards when you purchase 4. Now let's wrap things up with the school supply promotion. So school starts back for our kids this week, and there are quite a few deals going on in Walgreens. The Elmer's glue is 55 cents. Or you can pick up the glue sticks. The 3-pack is $1.49. The Fiskars scissors are also on sale. They're going to be $1.49 on select varieties. And if you are in need of the Modern Expression office supplies, they're 10% off. The pocket folders are 3 for $1, and when you spend $20, you get $5 back in store rewards. If you're in need of a 5-star school supply, they're buy one, get one 50% off, and there's a register reward promotion going on there. Also, there's going to be $2 off for the binders or expandable folders. If you're in need of pencils, there are going to be several different pencil promotions going on, and you can get the pencil sharpener for $1.49. Papermate or Sharpie pencils or pens and highlighters are on sale. They're going to be 99 cents each. And the gel pens, the Pilot G2 pens, are going to be $5.99. So if you're headed to Walgreens this week, be sure to check out the school supply aisle. If your children are going back to school, there are a lot of promotions going on. There seem to be a lot of register reward offers when you spend $20. So just go down, browse the aisles, and see what great deals you can find. But that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.